Are you planning to start a website this year? Whether it's a blog, an online business, a portfolio, or an e-commerce store, there's one thing you shouldn't do. Pay full price for web hosting. Because right now, Hostinger is running a special promotion where you can get up to 85% off. And if you use the link in the description, you'll also receive an extra 20% discount automatically applied to your order. You don't need to enter any coupon code manually. Just click the special link below and the discount is activated instantly. Starting a website usually comes with multiple expenses. You need hosting, security, and often a domain name. These costs can quickly add up, especially if you're just getting started. But this Hostinger deal helps reduce those costs dramatically. Not only do you get the huge discount, but you'll also receive free extra months added to your hosting plan. You'll also get free SSL, which helps secure your website and protect your visitors' data. And on eligible plans, Hostinger includes a free domain name, helping you save even more during the setup process. Hostinger offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you can request a refund within the first 30 days. Another reason why millions of users choose Hostinger is its simplicity. Even if you've never built a website before, the platform is designed for beginners. The setup process is quick, easy, and doesn't require technical experience. Whether you're creating a WordPress website, launching an online store, starting a blog, or building a professional business site, Hostinger gives you the tools you need to get online fast. But remember, deals like this don't stay around forever. So if you want the biggest discount available today, click the first link in the description right now. Get up to 85% off, unlock your extra 20% discount automatically, claim your free extra months, and launch your website today with confidence thanks to the 30-day money-back guarantee. Don't miss out. Grab the deal before it's gone.